Friend here, your HSP Travel vlogger. I'm sitting on Air France from San Francisco to Paris, Charles de Gaulle. And I wanted to show you my seat and my preparation a little bit, just so you can understand what I'm dealing with here, which is pretty cool. Here's the remote for the television. It lives in here. I'm flying business class. I want you to know that I've been collecting miles for a very long time, so that when I flew to Europe, I could do it in an HSP friendly way. In here, I have my Air France amenity kit, which has some socks, an eye mask, earplugs, a couple of little toiletries, a pen, and a toothbrush and toothpaste. I also brought some ginger candy in case I feel a little icky. This is my coconut oil. My friend, Dr. Heidi Sky, taught me that if you put coconut oil inside your nostrils on the plane, it helps protect you from viruses floating around, although the air is being recirculated really dramatically. Back here is my Travel-On RFID crossbody bag, which I sprung for. My hand sanitizer. This is a little elastic band that holds things upright in this little storage cabinet, which is so cute. There's a bandana, which I don't go anywhere without. My TENS unit. I have in here I have my hot pack, which is from Amazon. My acupuncturist, Daniel Martin, Chinese medicine doctor, has me get. It's I think 10 or 12 or $16 off of Amazon. It lasts 24 hours. I'll be using it for my back on the flight. I'll probably wait a little while. There's a couple other things in there. Can't remember what. It's the storage. My water bottle. Here's the television. There are my toes. I have here 2 extra long sleeve shirts in case I'm cold, and a nice soft scarf that's huge that I brought to stay warm tonight. I brought my own pillow, which is a Life-Kind organic wool with organic cotton covering and an organic cotton pillowcase I'm very excited about. And this is the Air France blanket. Here is the beautiful menu with all my options for alcohol, which I'm going to try not to drink very much of because I want to sleep, and menus in English. And aussi en français. Learning Spanish did the worst thing ever to my French. There's a little place here. I have 2 chunks of Rick Steves' guidebook that I might study, one for arriving in Paris and one for practical tips traveling, because I will be renting a car. Here's the outlet. I'll be charging my phone and my Microsoft Surface tablet, which is right here. Here's my backpack. What I wanted to show you is a couple things I packed here. My mask. I have them off for a moment, taking a break because I have the headset on. This is a little pencil bag left over from when my child was young. I have an extra little protein bar from Trader Joe's in here, a copy of my passport, and then this is sort of my essentials for the flight. My own bamboo fly mask, because usually I don't like the scent of new fabrics. It's hard for me. So that's the one I slept with last night. This is my money belt that I can put on under my clothes if I feel like I need extra security while I'm sleeping. And these are compression socks that I'm going to put on. They are Danish and made out of organic cotton. I got them off of Amazon. I love them. Wish I could find out what they are for you. Here we go. Let's see. Danish Endurance, maybe? They're old. They're fabulous, and my Auntie Phyllis suggested to me that I wear them on the plane, and I will be, to stay warm and also have good circulation. My menu back. This is a lay flat seat, and I'm really excited. Oh, here's one more little thing I sprung for that can hang right up here. The hanger hook. This is just a little 3-pocket pouch with all my electronics cords and headsets and boxes and stuff like that. I hope I brought everything I need. Holy cow. If I didn't, guess what? France is a civilized country, and I'll buy it. So let me see if I can